Are you ready to cultivate your child's creativity while deepening their faith? Welcome to Made Makers Christian Art and Design Education. Our web-based subscription services offers a unique learning experience for students of all ages, blending artistic development with a strong biblical foundation designed for homeschool families. Made Makers provides a rich, Christ-centered curriculum that helps students explore their God-given creativity. From drawing and design to painting and sculpture, every lesson is crafted to inspire excellence in art and to glorify Christ. Whether your child is just starting their artistic journey or mastering advanced techniques, our online platform offers flexible, engaging content accessible from anywhere. Join the Made Makers community and watch your student grow as a creative disciple. Sign up today at mademakers.com, where creativity meets faith and Christ reforms culture.